gonna start off by just clipping my hair back, and if you guys are interested in the wig that I have on, I'll have it listed in the description box for you guys. So I'm gonna start off by using this astringent on my skin. And today I'm gonna moisturize my face with the Eucerin Eczema Relief. I use this all over my body, but I usually use the Cortisone 10, but you get more product with that one. And when I use this, it doesn't it works well with my primers. So for my primer, I'm going to use the NYX Angel Veil. I'm going to use the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. And I hauled this in an Ulta haul a few weeks ago. But I've been using this, I've used this before, that Ulta haul. And it's a really good primer to me. For a drugstore primer, I think it's a little bit on the expensive side because it's like $16, I think, but it's pretty good. And I've tried a lot of primers because I do have oily skin. And I'm gonna moisturize my lips with this Vaseline Lip Therapy. So I'm just gonna set my eyebrows with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, just so my eyebrows aren't like greasy when I put the product on. And if I sound like kind of hoarse, I'm a little bit sick, so I apologize for that. So I'm gonna zoom you in, and I'm gonna show you guys again, like my last makeup tutorial, I showed you guys how I do my eyebrows, but I'm gonna include it in here because I'm not gonna have like any eyeshadow or eyeliner, so I'm just gonna show you guys my eyebrow routine again. I'm just gonna be brushing them up. So what I've been using for my eyebrows for a very long time is the LA Colors Auto Pencil. I usually use the color 662, which is black brown, but I can't find it right now, so I'm using 663, which is kind of like a medium brown, and I use that color when I wear blonde wigs and stuff, but it still can look pretty dark, so I'm gonna just start to create my line at the bottom. I'm going to add a little bit more product. I'm going to take the LA Colors Brow Kit, and I'm going to take like the second shade, which is like a dark brown, the one in the middle. And I'm going to put a little bit of that over my brows just to fill in the sparse areas. So I'm gonna take my Morphe G20 brush, and I'm gonna take my LA Colors, I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan, and I'm gonna carve out my brows starting at the bottom. Alright, so I'm done with my brows and now I'm going to move on to my face. I'm really enjoying doing this look lately. You guys know, like, if you see makeup tutorials on my channel, I usually do eyeshadow looks with a lot of color and everything, but just lately I've been enjoying just like the easy neutral looks. Not to say I'm gonna come at you guys with like only neutral looks, because honestly on YouTube there's like a ton of people that do that anyway, and sometimes only neutral looks to me is boring. But I do understand why people like neutral looks so much, because they're very flattering. So I'm gonna go in first with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Orange Corrector, and I'm gonna put that on my dark spots. I'm gonna take my Real Technique sponge and just blend that out a little bit. And for foundation, I'm gonna be using my absolute favorite foundation I've been using for, I don't know, probably anywhere from like, I don't know, 3 to 6 months, which is the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation, and I'm in the color Caramel. I did try Toffee, which is a shade darker, but it's a little bit too red. So for now, my color is Caramel. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my face and blend it out. This foundation just blends so well. I think it's amazing, and it's only, I think this foundation's like $6. And I'm gonna take my Cool Tan concealer and I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes. Or I'm going to set that concealer with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And for my face, I'm going to set my face with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in color Medium Deep, which is 30. Now, I hauled this in my Ulta haul a few weeks ago, and I've been using it ever since. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna use like a cream contour. I'm gonna just do powder. And I've been using this thing for probably way longer than no, it's 36 months. So I haven't had this for 36 months. Probably had this for like 24. But anyway, I'm gonna use the LA Colors I Love Makeup Contour Palette. And I'm gonna take the brown shades, like the dark brown shades, probably like those, one of those, the ones where you see I hit pan. And I'm gonna contour with that instead of using a cream. Put some Cool Tan on my nose just to brighten it up a little bit. I'm going to use the Loreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, and I've been using that since my Ulta haul as well. It does give your lashes like a really good look, And I could do this look, you can do this look without lashes because that's like seriously no fuss. You can do that without lashes. But I want to put lashes with this look. As you can see, like my eye compared, like this is no mascara versus this one. You really do get a good effect with it. This is typically what my makeup look is like during the work week when I go to school. I just have foundation, brows, mascara, and I put on lipstick. But if I want to do this kind of simple look but take it up a notch, I'm going to take my Rimmel London Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer, and I'm going to line my lower lash line or my waterline or whatever. I'm going to try and stay in frame if possible. So something else I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my lashes. Again, this is a no fuss makeup, everyday makeup look. You do not have to use lashes for an everyday makeup look, but if you can still have a natural look and wear lashes. And the lashes I'm going to be using are from SK Lashes. They are a brand, I think they're a UK brand, and I'm going to be using the style Soho. And they're kind of wispy, but they still have some kind of presence to them. They're not like too natural. With me, if I'm wearing lashes, I want it to look like I have on lashes. Otherwise I just wear mascara like I'm doing right now. Alright, I have my lashes on, so I'm just gonna blend the lashes with my natural lashes with my mascara. So I'm going to spray my face with the NYX matte finishing spray or matte finish spray. So I hauled this in my Ulta haul a few weeks ago as well, which is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, metallic highlighter, and 100 Molten Gold. And this has been my go-to lately. Like, everybody loves this. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution blush palette in Sugar and Spice, and I'm gonna use these two colors for my blush. And for my lips, I'm gonna be using the liquid lipsticks from Colored Raine. I'm gonna be using Truffle Raine, and then I'm gonna go on top with Satin Cream. And then I'm gonna go on top of that to just get like a lighter color, and I'm gonna use Satin Cream. Now you don't have to do this. I'm sure they sell a color that I'm gonna be making with this combination anyway, but this is what I have. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of my subscribers enjoy like more natural looks. Yeah, and I just think it turned out really well, and it just photographs well too. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Leave me some suggestions of different kinds of makeup videos you would like to see in the future. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.